Hello everyone, so today we're playing Perfect Dark. Let me see here, we are on mission number 6, so that's what we're going to be doing today. Alright, so yeah, me and Mr. Pringles here is going to be playing this game today. I'm kind of having fun actually playing this series. Okay, so let's go and get started and try to have some fun.
You go on ahead, Joe. I'll secure the perimeter. We'll meet up later.
Alright, so let's take a look at our objectives here. So we got to disable primary power. Okay, GPS, auto, and autopilot. It sounds easy, alright. So let's go. Now, just so you know, this level here can be a bit confusing.
Oh my God! Why me?
Man, I can't believe that just happened. Okay,
Activate the alarm!
I don't think so. Alright, earlier I was trying to do this. I was trying to aim and shoot. See, I was trying to do that earlier.
Oh God! Trigger the alarm. Oh my God!
And this place can also be a maze. Alright, here we go.
They'll be unable to conduct operations without any power.
Alright, any more where that come from? Okay. We have to disable this thing. Alrighty. I think we have to turn it on or off. I don't know. Whoops. Okay, yeah, one more time. I missed one, that's why. Okay, that makes more sense. I missed one, whoops. Alrighty, so let's go. Turn that off, there we go. So the first objective is complete. Okay. Alright. Let's see what else we got here, around here. Ooh, 2 of them.
How the? What the? Activate the alarm!
Well, thank goodness you can turn it off.
This must be where the steps control from.
Alright. Ooh, got a shield. I'll take that. Now, I think I have to go down here.
Hey, intruder alert!
Oh, I ran out of ammo. Oh. Whoops. Okay, that's locked. This way? Let's see. Nope.
There's someone here!
Yeah, like I said before, this place is confusing. A little bit. Okay, I just came from there. Hey, I'm lost. Let's try this one more time. Okay, so I can't go that way. Huh. I don't get it. No. Oh, okay, here we go. Yeah, we're talking. We're getting somewhere.
Target sighted.
Whoops.
Come here.
Without the autopilot and the GPS, the ship will wander off station. Pull the plug on that, now!
Please, don't hurt me.
I think one of these are gonna shoot at you. I think it's probably gonna be that
Ah,
one.
you traitors!
Okay.
Switch this thing off.
I'll shut it down.
There we go. Now we have to find our way out. Yep, we have to find our way out. Alright, there we go, finally. Oh darn. This level gives me confusion. Trying to find my way out. Okay, let's see something here. Okay, here we go. Oh, I get a better idea. Let's see here. I'm gonna throw my grenade. Okay, that was cool. Alright, we're almost there at the end here.
Oh my god! I don't want to die! There's someone here!
right. He called me a bitch. Alright, time to use this thing again. This thing is pretty cool. Nice.
Me.
I'm dying.
I think this is it. Okay. Alright. There we go. Nice.
Right. The diving operation has been disrupted on the surface. Time for a swim.
I hope the government don't want to use this ship anytime soon.
Do you think we were a little heavy-handed?
Nah.
Alright, well, that's it today. And I want to say thanks for watching, and see you later.